Hi, welcome to my channel Fried Water. Today we are going to make rich mango upma. This recipe is going to be loved by everyone in the family. So let's get started. Try roast the rava for 2 minutes on a low medium heat and keep it on the side. Add oil. When the oil hot enough, add mustard seeds and let it crackle. Add split urad dal, chopped ginger, chopped green chilli, chopped curry leaves, chopped onion. Saute it till the onion transparent. Add water. Bring the water to boiling. Add requirement of salt and add roasted rava and mix it well. Should be non-sticky and lump-free. Add diced mango. Mix it well. Add grated coconut. Mix it. Finally, add ghee to the upma. A rich mango upma ready. Let's try it. It tastes really rich and yummy. Try this recipe and let us know your comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.